Direct recording. Okay. Now from Bangara Kusuma Falls, me and Mani heading back to the parking place where we put our bikes. A beautiful place, beautiful ambience. It's a very nice for a day trip. You can play in the waterfalls. Waterfalls is here. Small falls, but you can enjoy. There is a small pool kind of thing in the top above the falls. So there you can actually you can maybe a small pool, so you can swim there. And it's all rocky here and nice ambience. So we are heading back. Mani is walking ahead. We got one friend also. He came from Kadapa and he is also coming with us. After some time he is planning in a different route. So we are planning to go to Divine Beach in Kasar. Drive-in Beach, sorry, correction. Drive-in Beach near Kasargod. So that's around 200 kilometers from here. And we plan to stay there tonight. These are all the when there is a heavy flow, the trees have been uprooted and the rocks, you can see the rocks here. It's a very good natural setup. So we need to walk maybe around less than a kilometer towards the falls. So around 25 kilometers from Jog Falls. This place is, which is called Bangara Kusuma Waterfalls. It's a small falls, but you can enjoy your time in the falls and then head back. So this is the natural, all trees. So they have made a kind of a road here for us to walk to reach the falls. So this place, you won't find it in Google Maps. You should ask, only locals will know this place. You need to just ask them and then come here. But Google Maps will not show you the location correctly. So location wise, if you see from towards 1 hour side from Jog Falls, around 25 kilometers if you come, on the right hand side before this places, but they will find a Hanuman temple around 500 meters before the Hanuman temple. There is a small board put up there. You need to take the deviation into the forest, and then there is a forest department kind of user fee collection kind of thing for parking and entering into the falls. They charge around how much? 20 rupees money. 20 rupees for adult, and children maybe 10 rupees. Yeah, so it's kind of a rocky surface here, so you need to have proper shoes to walk here or good sandals, otherwise it's kind of stony, it will prick you. But you can easily walk, it's not very tough terrain. See, now you see Mani walking, you can find stones there, but he's able to do it because he's wearing the sandals. So compared, otherwise it will prick you. But maybe don't know during heavy rains whether it will be possible or they will allow us inside. I'm not very sure. But now it's not that, not raining heavily, or it's little dry, and waterfall is also sufficient enough, safe enough for people to go and play.